Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add metadata in Lightroom. So at first, what is metadata? Metadata is the information which is stored within our photos that describes various details about the photos, such as the date it was taken, camera settings, and other technical information. So now, without any further ado, let's get into the video. At first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Now, choose the photo that you want to add the metadata to. So I'll choose this photo. Now, to add the metadata, simply click on this icon here. Now, click on this gear icon beside share option. Now here, you'll see various options like content credentials, include watermark, include metadata. So since we want to enable metadata, simply click here. And furthermore, you can also enable the location info by clicking here. And just like this, we can add or include metadata in our photos in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.